In this video, we are going to see two very important APIs around BSC network. First one will be API to get newly created tokens. Second one will be API to get newly created pools. Make sure it is API v2 here. Let's start with the first API, getting newly created tokens. Select EVM and then select the network as BSC. Then select calls. Specify the filters using where, and in that where condition, select call create as true because a new token contract is created and we need to track that if we want to track newly created tokens. Second filter will be around arguments length not equal to 0, and receipt contract address not null address or 0 address. Receipt contract address should not be a 0 address. Select transaction status success as true as we only want to track the successful transactions. Now select the fields you need info about. Select arguments, and under that select name, value, and under value select all of these types of arguments. Select transaction hash, select receipt address because this receipt address will contain the contract address of the new token created. Select block time, and now I will change this query keyword to subscription to make it a real-time WebSocket. Now you're good to go. You can run this WebSocket and you will get the real-time information about newly created tokens. Let's move on to the next API where we are getting newly created pools in real time. Select EVM, then select BSC. We are getting here only Uniswap v3 pools. So whenever a pool is created, pool created event is fired, we will keep this in mind. Now select events, and under events select where. Using where we will put our filters. Select log, smart contract, and put the Uniswap v3 factory contract here. And now select the signature. This is going to be our second filter. And put the signature name as pool created. Now select the transaction status as success true because we only want to track the transactions which are really successful and gives the true new pools. Now select the fields you need info about. Select log. Under that select signature and select name, parsed, signature. Select smart contract also. Select transaction hash. Select block time. You can select block number also. You can select all of these details. I'm just selecting some of them. Now select arguments and select name here, type, and value. Under value, select all of these types, string, integer. Select all of these types because argument can be any of these types. And now our subscription is ready. Just change this query keyword to subscription. And now this WebSocket is ready, and this will give us the newly created pools in real time. You will get the newly created pools address from the arguments. There are going to be 3 arguments in the response, and the third argument will or pool address. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.